Hi everyone. So let's start means of transport today. Before all this, before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you that how did you like the 8 facts that we provided about India to you in a funny and a meaningful manner? I hope you like that. If you want us to make more videos about this, and if you have any extra facts and riddles and anything about studies relating, you can send it us through email trajectory@gmail.com, or you can send it us by commenting down in any of the videos. Why? Just comment it down, okay? We'll be reading your comments, okay, and we'll be replying as soon as possible, okay. Means of transport. Now transport includes various means in which people and goods can be moved from one place to another. So now there are various kinds of transport, and people can and goods can be moved from one place to another through this transport. Now initially the movement of people and goods was time consuming and tiring because they had long distances to be covered on foot, and people had to carry their own goods, okay, and there was nothing to carry their own goods and not any easy like package, okay, to carry the goods. Later on, domesticated animals came to be as a use of transport during the Aryan Age. With the invention of wheels, the means of transport improved remarkably. Now we have speedy means of transport. Okay, wheels. It was invented in almost 10,000 years ago. During the early humans invented them, right? And how were they invented? They saw logs of wood that were rolling down the hill, and then they saw. They cut the logs into pieces, and then they saw that they are also rolling down the wheel. That means the wheel can be of anything remarkable, okay. So the means of transport can be divided into three categories, okay. Land transport, water transport, and air transport, okay. So land transport, the means of transport that run on land is known as land transport. Land transport is of two types, roadways and railways. So you need to learn the two types. What are roadways? Roads are the means to connect one place to another on a flat surface of land. Land, flat surface, we use roadways. Roads are the most commonly used means of transport, okay. So we use some vehicles such as bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, rickshaws, auto rickshaws to travel short distances, okay, short. While cars, buses, and trucks to travel long distances. Now, the network of roads in India consists of national highways, state highways, district roads, and rural roads. Rural means village. Now, railways is the most important and popular means of land transport. It runs on tracks and carries a large number of people and goods from one place to another, okay. It is two types of passengers, such as the passenger train and the goods trains. Two types of train. It is faster than the other land transport and is considered as the most comfortable means of transport for long distances. Really. Nowadays, rapid transit system, commonly used known as metro trains, can also run in several cities of India. They run underground, okay? Water transport. The means of transport that run on water are known as water transport. Water transport is cheapest, okay, and it has been used since earlier times, but the slowest means of transport. Boats, ships, steamers, etc. are examples of water transport. Boats and steamers used to travel short distances, while ships are used to travel long distances. So we have 12 major seaports in India where ships arrive and leave. Okay, ships that carry heavy goods from one seaport to another are known as cargo or freight ships. So cargo ships is used to carry goods. Now air transport. The means of transport which can fly in the sky are known as air transport. The fastest was the most expensive. One ticket costs to 7,000, etc. Airplanes and helicopters are some of the means of transport in air. We can reach far off places in few hours. Okay, in in air transport, we can reach a far places by in a few hours. Okay, it takes from once I went from Calcutta to Jaipur, it took only 2 hours 10 minutes for me to reach through flight. Okay, we can and in Mumbai it takes me 2 hours and some minutes. I went long before. We can reach far off places, okay, through this. India has several airports. Aeroplanes land and take off at airports. Helicopters are used for short distances, mostly for rescue operations during natural disaster. Helicopters take and land off at helipads. Okay, helipads are almost everywhere. Public and private transport. Public transport is the transportation service which can be used by general public. Buses, trains, ships, aeroplanes are public transport. Okay, they can be used by everyone. Private transport which cannot be used by the general public. Okay, so car, scooters and motorcycle, you only and your family members can only get up over there. It's a private transport. Okay, now animals is a mean of transport in hilly regions. Okay, the land is even uneven and difficult. Mules are used as a useful means of transport in hilly regions. Okay, because the land is uneven and it's difficult for us to go. Okay, in desert, camels is the most useful means of transport, and in thick forests, elephants are used to carry heavy loads. Okay, so they are also there. This was the video. Thank you.